The question is age 34, a salaried employee, TBM Limited has an Fury shed following details for the previous year. What is that? Gross salary 23 lakhs. Business loan for a new part-time business of trading in mobiles. Business loan 4.2 like business loss. It is okay. Set of losses okay. And short-term capital loss in sale of property 3 lakh 60,000 and purchase 1,000 bitcoins, a virtual currency for 1,000 per coins, which was sold in 1,300 per coin. Commission has been transferred 2% sale value. So gross sale, super. This is 1 year. This is not this short-term capital gain. Short-term capital gain can be reckoning, means uh, short-term capital gain to be losses to be traded off with business loss or no. It is business loss. So this is business loss carry forward. Short-term capital loss can be adjusted to short-term capital gain and salary at the normal rate. You will see here. So gross salary 23 lakhs. Standard deduction 50,000. Very good. Professional income 2 lakh 50,000 carry forward. Business loss the part of the time business. The loss of the business cannot be set off against salary income too. No set off of business loss allowed against capital gain and virtual assets. It can be set off. Business loss over like 50,000 can be carried forward up to 8 financial years actually. Capital gain. Short-term capital loss on sale 3 lakh 60,000. The short-term loss cannot be set off against income other than capital gain cut. The short-term loss 3 lakh 60,000 has to be carried forward. So it can only be capital gain. It's not eligible to set off against capital gain arising from transfer of virtual assets. Oh, so the capital gain on transfer is 3 lakhs. Total income is 23, 22, 50 plus 25, 50 is a total income. This is a total income. So virtual asset, if you have Bitcoin, you can set off against capital gain, long-term capital gain, short-term gain, nothing. Against the Bitcoin you can do, but not with other assets. Hmm.